So hi, one. Today we'll play bicycle shop. So we're supposed to ride our bicycle. Which one do you want? Want this one?
Sure.
Here is the instructions. Maybe, but I better say next because.
I have to get the rust off?
Yeah. See, you have to do it real fast. Make it work.
Give a little elbow grease.
Oh, Daddy, you have to get all of them.
Okay.
Have to get all of the things that they're supposed to use on the bicycle.
Okay.
That's all this is.
And this is scrubbing the paint off too and the rust?
See?
Yeah. Now you wash it?
No, just you have to wash the bicycle.
Let's get washing.
I have to do it real fast. Daddy, here.
Need a little help? Let's see. Oh, we just missed a little spot on the bottom. Now what?
Now we can rinse all it off. Sometimes there's going to be drops. There are the drops.
Now dry?
Yeah. You have to dry the bicycle. See, Daddy, you have to get all of these scratches for the other tool.
Oh, I see.
See how I do it? I do it nice and smooth. See, that's where I have to get all seed.
Yeah, that's good.
See, that you have to get all of the scratches.
Oh, great.
Not just a little bit. Look, Dad, that just shows a fixed chain, not a broken chain.
Is that oil?
Yeah. Guess so. To me. This is a wrench, and we just unpop the tires and change those. The head shows you what you have to do. See, on that it shows do the screws. See?
Oh, you gotta fix the spokes now? Oh, you take out the broken ones and put in new ones?
These are the new ones.
Oh, cool. Oh, you gotta take out the broken ones, I think. Cool. All right.
Okay, see? Now we're all done. I guess what we get to now.
What?
Paint.
Oh, nice.
How do you like this paint?
That looks good.
How do you like this?
What's that? Oh, is that the seat color?
You want it to be a different color.
Yeah.
How about that?
That looks good.
What about the blue green bicycle?
I love it.
The bicycle blue and the green.
Yeah, that looks great. Awesome.
We're going to see you next time. Bye.